Assalamu alaikum. Hope you will be fine. So, this is my second lecture with you, my dear students. Well, in my previous class, I have taught you about English syllabus and objective part of paper. But today, I will let you know about subjective part of paper according to Gujranwala board, Sargodha, Multan, Faisalabad and every board. Well, every board of Pakistan. Good. So, subjective part of paper is based on two parts. Is based on two sections. Section number 1 and section number 2. First, I describe you about section number 1. Before moving on, I let you know and I show you your subjective part of paper. Well, it carries 80 marks and it is a bit lengthy in volume. Okay, it will take 2 hours and 30 minutes. Subjective part of paper carries 80 marks and it takes 2 hours and 30 minutes. Right? And our section number 1 starts from question number 2. And section 1 is based on short questions. Short questions will be from short stories, plays and poems from book 1 and book 3. Well, you will be asked 9 questions, but you have to answer any 6 questions in question number 2. 9 questions. You will be asked 9 questions, but you have to answer any 6. Answer any 6. And each short question carries 2 marks. Each short question carries 2 marks. Clear? So, if we multiply 6 with 2, it becomes 12 marks. So, question number 2 जो है girls and boys आपका 12 marks का होगा. 12 marks का कहाँ से? Short stories में से. Is it right? Now we gonna move towards question number 3. And question number 3 is based on plays. Is based on short questions, but those short questions will be taken from plays. There will be 8 questions. There will be 8 questions in question number 3, but you have to answer any 5. You have to answer any 5. And each short question carries 2 marks. 5 को multiply करें 2 के साथ, it becomes 10. It becomes 10. So, आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर जो 3 है वो कितने मार्क्स का हुआ? 10 मार्क्स का. Now we gonna move towards your question number 4. Question number 4. Well, and question number 4 is based on short questions, but short questions will be taken from poems and book 3. Well, you will be asked 6 short questions from poems, but you have to answer any 4. Well, and if we multiply 4 with 2, then it becomes 8. So, 12, 10 and 8 becomes 30. Section 1 is based on 30 marks. You guys can get 30 out of 30 if you prepare all short questions in a good way. Clear? Right? Now we're going to move towards section number 2. That is a bit lengthy. Okay? And section number 2 is based on 50 marks. Section number 2 is based on 50 marks. Well, question number 5. In question number 5, you will be asked a letter or an application application. And it will carry 10 marks. Well, सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में आप लोगों ने लेटर राइट करना है या एप्लीकेशन राइट करनी है. दोनों आइटम्स राइट नहीं करने हैं. वेल, बिकॉज ट्राई टू मैनेज योर टाइम. ट्राई टू मैनेज योर टाइम इन अ गुड वे, इन अ बेटर वे. एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज बेस्ड ऑन अ मॉरल स्टोरी. मॉरल स्टोरी. Moral story will carry 10 marks as well. So students, you will be asked 2 moral stories, but you have to attempt only one. There will be statements like honesty is the best policy, union is strength, greed is curse. Such kind of moral stories will be asked and you have to attempt only one moral story. So आपको एक moral story की क्या मिलेगी? Choice मिलेगी. 2 होंगे, 2 में से एक को attempt करना होगा. Good. So this is your second last question, question number 7, and question number 7 is categorized into 3 parts, A, B and C. A is based on a stanza, and stanza will be taken from, you know well, stanza is taken from poems. Stanza is taken from poems. Stanza is taken from poems and it carries 5 marks. And it carries 5 marks. There will be a stanza like so. And उसके साथ कहा होगा explain the stanza. The stanza with reference to the context. Well, रेफरेंस जिसमें आप रिफर करते हो. रिफर किसको करोगे? पोएम के नेम को और पोएट के नेम को और पोएट के नेम को. हवाला मतन जिसमें आपने रेफरेंस देना होता है, हवाला देना होता है उस स्टेंजा के बारे में. और कॉन्टेक्स्ट में आपने मेन आइडिया को पुट करना है, लाइक बिगनिंग लाइंस एंड मिडल लाइंस एंड एंडिंग लाइंस. मेन आइडिया आपने कॉन्टेक्स्ट में राइट करना है एंड पुट करना है. और ये जो स्टैंजा की लाइंस होंगी उसको आपने मैक्सिमम लेंथ में एक्सप्लेन करना है, एक्सप्लेनेशन देनी है विद फुल लेंथ एंड with good ideas, and you can put Quranic verses and quotations, proverbs to make it more clear and good. Well, then you will be able to get 5 out of 5. And B part is based on punctuation. Punctuation will be based on 2 lines. And it will carry 5 marks as well. And ये जो punctuation की 2 lines हैं, 2 to 3 lines, sometimes it is 1 line and sometimes it is 2 lines. And 2 lines short stories में से, mostly short stories में से ली जाती है, but sometimes play में से भी कोई एक extract दे दिया जाता है. Clear? Now we're gonna move towards C part of question number 7. C part is based on pair of words. You might have experienced pair of words in your class 9th or 10th. Is it so? Yes, it is. And it carries 5 marks. Pair of words में like except or except. Sound is similar but meaning is different. Clear? Got the idea? If you find any query, you can comment me. Now gonna break the news. Question number 8 gonna be the last one. Be happy. Okay? Be excited. आपने उर्दू में क्या करना है, ट्रांसलेट करना है एंड इट कैरीज 15 मार्क्स एंड इट इज अ ग्रेट बोनस। वेल, और ये ट्रांसलेशन पैसेज कहाँ से होगा, शॉर्ट स्टोरीज में से। ये शॉर्ट स्टोरीज में से ट्रांसलेशन पैसेज इंग्लिश में होगा एंड यू हैव टू ट्रांसलेट दैट पैसेज इनटू उर्दू। वेल, so students, those who cannot translate English passage into Urdu, there will be an alternate question. There will be an alternate question for foreign candidates and English medium students. There will be a statement like rising prices of commodities, corruption, social evils, mobile phone, use of mobile phone, such kind of questions, such kind of essay statements will be asked. And that will carry 15 marks as well. So that's it. If you like my lecture, do like it, subscribe it and share it with your friends. Stay with Sidra Khan. Allah Hafiz with love and duas.